So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my film setup, what it looks like when I'm done filming, how I film with my lighting, what kind of camera I use, what I use to edit, all those kind of fun creator things. And I'm not anyone big on YouTube. I definitely have a full-time job. Like, this is not my income really, but I love creating beauty content, and I kind of just want to show you what I do, how I film. And yeah, like, I was always curious when I was looking to get started how people film their content, because that's how it's just like so interesting how people use their lighting and their mics and just all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So this is like the perspective of filming me, and now I'm going to take the camera off of my tripod and show you my setup. So here we go. I have a viewfinder. So first, this is what, so this is like where I get ready every single day. This is where I sit and do my makeup. I have a mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm not even filming sorry. So this is where I sit and do my makeup every single day. This is where I sit, so I'll show you. So, sorry, this is not gonna be like the super fancy videos that you see when people talk about how they film, but this is my makeup drawer, and yeah, this is just like my everyday makeup drawer. And I just got done filming this makeup tutorial, so that is why everything is really messy, but this is just the reality of how I film. So I'm just gonna show you. So I got this at IKEA. I got this like in college, which college was like 10 years ago. And this is a makeup from Impressions of Vanity. My wife got me this for a birthday a couple years ago. It was like the best birthday present ever. And it has these really nice side cubbies that I put like new makeup in. Here's some Versed makeup that I'm dying to try. They sent this to me. It's a concealer, a lip gloss, and a blush. So hopefully I'll be filming with those. And so yeah, so sorry, this is like all over the place, but this is where I get ready. And this is where I film. So I have this little mirror here, which usually goes on my vanity. And this is what I look at when I do my makeup. And then my camera is right above on my tripod. So I'm just gonna zoom even more out here so you can see that. So yeah, this is my camera. This is the EOS M50 Mark II. Oh my gosh, there's a hair hanging off the camera. And it has a viewfinder, so I'll show you. Like, I only use this viewfinder while filming. And then I have a microphone. This is the VXR10 microphone, which microphones make a huge difference in your content. And so this is from TJ Maxx. It's just like a brush organizer, and I have brushes here, and then I put out everything that I will be filming with. So this is a affordable full glam tutorial. So I have all my makeup here. This is a table from Amazon. I'm gonna have everything linked below. It folds up and down, but I'll show you the full room. I keep my makeup table there all the time. The lights stay up, everything stays like the way it is. And then this is a really old school gross chair that I need a new one, obviously, but I just kind of move my chair from place to place. But this always stays here because I don't like taking it up and down because I get the lighting just right. But anyway, so here are the lights. So these are box lights. I got these from Amazon. They are what kind of lights up the whole room. So my room kind of echoes because this is like my office room, and eventually I want to put something here. I want to put shelves here. The room kind of echoes as I eventually want to put shelves there, but this is my MacBook, or not MacBook, sorry, my Mac, my desk Mac. I have a MacBook, but this is my desk where I edit. I got this desk from Amazon. I love this desk so much. So I just keep like, you know, editing stuff in here. And That's where I keep my mic. So this is my mic that I do voiceovers with. The TKGU mic. When I do voiceovers, I use this. You like push this button to record, to not record. And this is a, oh yeah, I forgot about this. Okay. So this is a mirror that I would hook. All right, so when I film my Instagram videos, I use my camera and I turn it sideways like this, and then my viewfinder will come out like that. So that's how I film my Instagram videos. But this is a mirror, got this on Amazon, and it just makes it to where I'm like looking not directly into the camera, but looking for my tutorial into the mirror, and I'm seeing exactly what I'm doing. So this is a light that was sent to me by the company. Let me see if you can get it to focus. Yeah, LumiCube. They sent this to me and I love this so much. You can do all kinds of fancy things with it. It has a place where you can put your phone. So I did film a few Instagram videos with my phone here, but I like never have memories, so now I use my camera. But I love this so much. I'm gonna show you. So back here, the digital screen, it shows you how bright and all of that. And yeah, I really love this ring light. I think this is what really helps my video quality. And I put it right behind my camera. So I make sure my camera's here and I put this here. I don't use this mirror when I'm filming YouTube videos, but this is my circle that I like to have centered. And so this is kind of the view from the back. There's my little background. I always have my candle lit. I like the boho vibes, even though I feel like boho vibes is kind of going out of style and now it's more modern. But I do like my little setup. So then this is the brand of the box lights, IFK DNR. I will have them linked below. Then I have these newer brand lights. I love these. I had two originally and then one fell and this cord got broken. That was actually this one. One of these cords got broken. So then I had to, I bought another, I think I bought another single one, but these are really powerful. And so that's my lighting. And I kind of use the box lights to light up the back of my room because while filming, the back is really, really dark. And I'm not an expert, but this is just how I do it. I also have these lights on while filming because it helps. That's without them. It helps kind of brighten up the room. And yeah, so this is my little get up. This is how I film. And I just kind of sit here. I sit here and I put my camera on that pedestal and I do my makeup right down here on my little mirror. So yeah, it's kind of nice because I don't have to take everything up and down. And I just wheel my chair over here and I get ready. And this is my little office makeup room. Like my entire dream, my whole life was to have a room like this. And then whenever me and my wife decide to have children, obviously I'm gonna have to give this room up. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably have to move into the guest room or something. But yeah, this is my little get up. And this is a makeup organizer I bought on Amazon. I put all kinds of my products in here. All right, so I'm putting my camera back on my tripod. Zoom in. And this is me. So this is how I film. I hope this helps you out. I hope this motivates you to create content. You never know what's gonna happen. I mean, I've been on YouTube since 2019. And hopefully you'll have better luck than me at growing and creating content because, you know, the universe is abundant and anything is possible. Matter's not created or destroyed. So whatever you want to achieve is totally achievable. So I hope my little video helped inspire you to create, and I hope that somebody's items might help you in your creation journey. I will have everything tagged that I can possibly have tagged for you. All the mirrors, the lighting, the desk. And that is my makeup set up. This is my little room that I filmed. Oh my gosh, I just knocked my vanity over. And I will have everything linked so that way you can use any of these tips and tricks to create your content. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.